everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting evening. So the secret of getting ahead is to getting started. So let's get started into this video. If you have not, please follow me on Instagram and please like and subscribe to my video, and let's get started to this video. I'm going to be reviewing the Allure Beauty Box for June, I believe. I sadly canceled BoxyCharm because they weren't living up to what I expected from them. I tried them for about, what, 6 months? 5-6 months, and then I was like, yeah, I can go back to them later on. And plus, I wanted to put my money in other subscription boxes. I wanted to try out Allure Beauty Box, and so far this is the first box, and let's see what I got. So if you guys want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the Allure Beauty Box. I really like the size of the box, and this box retails for, I think, over $120 worth of products. You know what? I'm not sure about that, but this box is $15 per month, which I think is a great steal. And let's open it and see what we got. Let's try that again. So this is the box with all the items in it, and you get 2 to 3 full-size products along with 3 sample full size. I'm not sure, but I'll have to read that and give you the correct information. So here is a pamphlet of the items and the retail cost of everything. Let's just dive into it. So I was able to pick an item, so I picked this Tarte High Performance Natural Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. I thought this was a good bang for the buck for $15. I'm like, $15, you can't go wrong with this. I can get it out, come on. Oh wow, look at it. This is definitely a full size, and it said it was gifted because I guess that's their partner with Tarte. So it's a full size mascara. That's really cool. And everybody always needs mascara, so that was the first item. Second item, let's just go off with the pamphlet. So there's an Intense Scare, looks like it's a mask. So this, I'm guessing this is a full size, oh yeah, full size mask. It looks like it's a Korean facial mask. Intense Care 24 Goal Snail Hydro Gel Mask. Oh wow, this is exciting. I love to do face masks, especially on Sunday nights while I'm watching 90 Day Fiancé and all that fun drama. Oh my gosh, you guys have to watch this Sunday. There's too much craziness going on, so go ahead and watch that too. So this retails for $10, and it is a full-size mask. So that's the first item that was in this box. The second item I see is this Belif True Serum Aqua Balm Aloe Vera Soothing and Hydrating Aloe Complex, dermatologically tested. So this is good. Aloe is good for everything. Even if you have like regular aloe, it is good for everything. Like, it's just a natural healer. Yep, it smells just like aloe, and aloe is good for your skin. It's good for if you can get fresh aloe, like you can even cut it up, put it in a glass of water, drink it. It's good for your insides. It's a good cleaning. It's good for your face. It's good for your hair. It's good for everything. So this girl, she looks like she used to use it in her hair, and then this, they gave you a little sample size. So this retails for $38, but again, I think this is the sample size of it. I am excited to use this. The next thing I see is a Yesina Super 8 Lip Oil in Pink Shine. Ooh, that looks like it's a full size. And this retails for $28. I don't think I have any lip oils, but I could always use one. Oh wow, look. I mean, it's a full size lip oil. Very nice. I think people are getting these in their BoxyCharms. Oh, smells like Jolly Rancher watermelon. Jolly Rancher watermelon, that's what it smells like. I'll put it over this. I do like this. I can't wait to try it out and wear it more. This is very nice. And again, this retails for $28. I'm very excited about that. Okay, the next thing on here, we got Dashing Diva Ultra Shine Gel Palette. Oh, this is so pretty. So they're just little stick-on gels. for your nails. This would be so good, especially like if you have to go somewhere and you have to do your nails really quickly. This is like a good alternative way to do your nails like really fast and get some polish on your nails and go. And the design on them is really pretty too. I will use this and I can't wait to use it. I like the little designs down here too. Very, very cute. This retails for $9 and this is full size too. So far we've got 3 full size items in this little box. The next thing I got was this Context, this Context Vitamin C Day Eye Cream. So this retails for $35 and I'm sure this is just the sample size, but this is really good to try because vitamin C is very good for your face. Like to help get rid of blemishes and just to put more vitamins back into your skin. Definitely recommend this and I can't wait to use it either. Where has this slightly cooling, never irritating eye saver been all my life? That's what this girl has said. She said it dries quickly, not too tingly, and she noticed a slight depuffing and subtle brightening immediately after use. Its active ingredients are vitamin C, E-star antioxidants, and guards against pigmentation and collagen breakdown. I can't wait to use this under my eyes. Actually, I'm gonna use it tomorrow. There's no scent to it, but that's okay. And the last item we got was a sample of Shangpree Spa Care System Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask. Oh yes, these work awesome. I've never used this brand, but I do have some that I keep in the fridge actually. And I'm gonna put this in the fridge because these work amazing under your eyes. Like, it helps get rid of all the puffiness. And you can put this on before or after your face mask, or you can just put it on whenever you want to. This girl says, in her experience, eye masks are either pretty or they work great. But these Shangpree masks are both effective and Instagram worthy. Haha. They're made of black hydrogel with gold shimmer and soaked in essence made of glycerin, black pearl, and gold extracts. So she said you could put this on for 20 minutes or longer. I like to put it on for the whole show because I put it on while I'm watching 90 Day Fiancé, and I just put it on, I leave it on there until it's ready to go to bed. And I do notice that they work. So yes, I can't wait to put this on, and I'm gonna actually put it in the fridge before I use it. So that was everything I got in my first Allure Beauty Box. And this is my first one out of hopefully many to come. I was really disappointed in BoxyCharm because I was supposed to get 5 items in my last box and they only sent me 4. So then I was always on the fence of keeping them. I know that they're a very popular box and so many people are with them, but I wanted to try another box and I'm very, very happy that I was able to try Allure Beauty Box. And for $15, I can't beat that, like, at all. And the box is really nice too. Like, you can save this box and you can store it because it's a really, like, hard cardboard kind of box. I do like this. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. And before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. So guys, remember to follow me on Instagram, and I will see all you birdies later. Bye, everybody.